Hi, honey bear. Oh, you're grabbing the phone? You're grabbing the camera? Say hi. Yeah? What are you doing? Look at Daddy.
He's all want to eat the phone.
You gotta let go of the lens. You gotta let go of the lens. You gotta let go of the lens. Your hand's right over the lens. You wanna put it in your mouth?
No, it's dirty.
I wouldn't let him put it in his mouth. I like how he's trying to grab it. Don't hit yourself with it. You're gonna hit yourself. Oh no! Go back to Daddy.
Come here.
Go back to Daddy.
Ricky.
He wants the phone.
Ricky, come
He's
here.
trying to get the phone. From this angle, it looks so cute. Play with Daddy.
Come here, Ricky.
Here we go. Follow the phone. Follow the phone.
Yellow wants me. Look at him. Yeah. You want the phone, Ricky? Huh?
Cover his eyes for just a second. Okay, go.
You want the phone?
He knows where to look.
You want the phone? You want the phone? You want it? Yeah. Yeah. You want the phone? Yeah. Yeah. Ow.
Uh-oh, he's puking a little bit.
Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Puke. Okay, Mommy and Daddy are gonna eat dinner. Okay? Okay? Is that okay with you?
Okay.